Since Halloween is near and school is back in session, I am going to show you how to design a Halloween teacher shirt in the 1960s style that is currently popular. I'm going to search Halloween teacher in the Flying Research search bar. There are a few trick or teach designs, so these are currently selling. Let's design our version of this phrase. First, I am going on beckdeasy.com and I am going to look for an apple silhouette. This first one looks good. I will now open it in Adobe Illustrator and paste it onto our merch template. We need a 1960s or 70s style font, so I will search for one on 1001fonts.com. You can search styles by decade under font categories. I just gave out 10 websites for free fonts in my last video. Make sure to check it out if you need free fonts. This looks like the one we are looking for. Now back in Illustrator, let's type out the phrase trick or teach. Now roughly place it and scale it on top of the apple. We are going to distort or morph the text onto the apple shape. In order to do this, we need to split the apple into 3 separate parts with a curved line. Select the pen tool and draw a curved line in between the words like this. Copy and paste the line and move it in between the other words. We also need to split the stem, so we need to draw a line here. Now I'm going to split using the divide tool. Make sure all lines fully overlap the shape in order for the split to work. Now select the lines in the apple and select divide in the Pathfinder toolbar. Ungroup. Before we can proceed, we need to clean up this portion by removing most of these extra anchor points created when the shapes were split. Select the points and spread them out. With the pen tool, hover over the points and you should see a minus sign to delete. The less anchor points you can use to draw the shape, the better result we can get with the text effect later. Now that it is cleaned up, we will start with the word trick. The word has to be behind the shape. Select both and type Ctrl-Alt-C. And this is the result. Let's do the next one. This one doesn't look right. We will come back to it after. Select both and type Ctrl-Alt-C. And now we have teach. Since we are mapping the text onto the shape size needs to match the proportions of the words for it to look right. We will do this by drawing 2 lines on each side. Select the lines in the shape and divide. Ungroup and delete the pieces on each side. That's better. I am scaling this word down to create more space in between the words. You can also drag the anchor points to further modify the shapes to your liking. We are not done yet. Repaste the original apple and scale it to fit behind the words. Now scale down the words to create some space in between the shapes. We are almost done. This can be a design, but for another version, we are going to use a mask to make the orange text transparent. Select what you want to mask and make it black. Select all of the text and cut to clipboard. Now click on the apple and make mask. Click here and unselect clip. Now paste, and we have masked it so the words are transparent. Now the words will match the color of the shirt, which will be orange. And here is the final shirt. Thank you for watching.